welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. This is the easiest way for me to wear my frontal without doing all of the extra stuff, all of the glue that take out your edges. So if you want to keep your edges, girl, stay tuned. So you're gonna need needle and thread and an elastic band, and I'm measuring the elastic band from ear to ear, or you can choose where it is comfortable for you. Then I'm gonna sew the elastic band from ear to ear on the frontal. After sewing that, I'm gonna sew the elastic band to the wig, and I'm starting in the middle. And I'm gonna sew the elastic band where it was kind of loose at on my head, so you can figure out if you want to sew. I have it sewed all the way around in those spots in the middle, the ears. This is my braid pattern. Oh, I look crazy. And so now here I'm just making the baby hairs after the wig is applied on. And if you're not interested in the baby hairs, you can do whatever you're comfortable with. This is just how I like my baby hairs to look. You can do them however you want them to. And if you're not interested in seeing this part, you could fast forward to the finished look.